Interstellar science is far different from either of the previous two movies, because this one has to do with gravity. So, the team of heroes in the movie come out of this little wormhole right here, and they're traveling to meet these 3 planets, the best candidates for life for the human race. First off, they go to Miller's planet because it's the closest to them, but it comes at a big drawback. It's too close to the black hole, lovingly named Gargantua. So, they have to travel to it, but the problem is, it's so close to the black hole that it starts to slow down time. Literally. Black holes are so powerful that their gravitational force literally pulls time, so time flows slower. So, going to the planet means that 1 hour for them, while they're on the planet, is 7 years on Earth. So, the team devises a plan. The Endurance, the spaceship they're on, sits just outside of the black hole's time manipulation pole. And then they send in a ranger drone with 3 people on it. They're gonna go in and out as fast as they can and get in for the planet, stay there for barely even an hour. It'll only be like 2 or 3 years on Earth. Psych! They end up crashing, everything goes bad, they spend a few hours there, and then they lose 28 years on Earth. Now how does this even happen? So here is space-time. This is space-time, and then that's the effect of gravity a black hole has on space-time. So when you're traveling down the timeline, it kind of looks like this. But as you get closer to the planet, you start to go down space-time, and then you get slowed down by it. And as you come back out, you start to notice, hey, they're a bit further than you. Why, you're still back here in time, but you're up here, but you're still like in the same plane. It's so crazy to understand what just happened. As quoted by Dr. Brand, time to some beings is like a mountain or a valley, and a black hole makes a valley, and going down the valley takes a lot longer than just walking across a straight plane. And it literally pulls time down, the space-time down. And that's how you get such a time delay. Now this is a tiny time delay. With Gargantua, imagine this, but the entire thing is the thing. You have to keep going down and 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 up. And by the time Earth's timeline is, you catch up to Earth's timeline, they're already so far ahead by 28 years. This doesn't even explain what happened at the end of the movie. Cooper goes into the black hole, goes into it, and he starts going through time, literally. He comes into like a time construct. It makes no sense. And he starts literally going through time, communicating with his daughter in the past and the future. And then when he's done with his mission, the whole time thing collapses in on himself, and he pops out 80 years in the future. Just pops out in the 80 years in the future, where the old wormhole was by Saturn. And all of a sudden, he miraculously gets picked up by humanity, who then perfected our art of gravity through the data he relayed through the black hole. He should have died. They did not know about spaghettification back in the 60s. So that, my friends, is the end of the review for Interstellar.